Kuringana na ruhonge rwa guthurima mitaratara ya mathomo guku bururi-ini KICD, arutwo thiini wa senior school mabatie kuyukia mathomo mugwanja, mana ari ma o muhaka, maya ari hamwe na githungu, githwairi kana ruthiomi rwa njira ya ciiko, physical education na community service learning. Ona kuhanora uguo, ithabu riri riu niri kuongerereka thutha wa ministry ya githomo kwanirira ati ithomo ria mathabu ririkoragwo riri ria o muhaka kuri arutwo othe thiini wa senior school.
What we are doing, because we have three pathways. We have STEM, which would have pure maths, then we have social sciences, and then we have sports, arts and sports.
Kuringana na minister wa githomo Julius OGAMBA, arutwo aria macagura pathway ya STEM nio marithomithagio gikiro kia iguru kia ithomo riri, nao arutwo aria macagura pathway ya art and sports kana social sciences magathomithio ikiro huthu cia mathabu.
The students that would be undertaking arts and sports needs functional maths. They do not require to do pure mathematics because they are not in STEM. So we are going to have maths now as a compulsory subject, but the math that will be undertaken by the students taking the pathway of social sciences and arts and sports will not be pure maths. So it will be a functional math, applied math, we'll come up with a name for it. But now, maths is agreed that will be part and parcel of senior school.
Really very happy and rallying behind the CS to ensure that we implement that directive that mathematics now is compulsory. It is no longer optional for all learners going to senior school. And the reason why we are doing that is because we have listened to stakeholders. We have been listening for the last 2 months. We have heard what they have said, and we have said we have to be able to implement.
Ministry ya githomo oho ni iheanite mwerekera uria kurumirirwo thiini wa ugai wa mieke thiini wa thukuru ngurani kuringana na pathways. Ona kuhanora uguo, no muhaka arutwo mambe maheo mweke wa gucagura thukuru ici, mihango iria tanyitwo kwambiriria tariki 26 mweri twerekeire.
Most of the work in the selection process will be digital. We are expecting the learners to start applying for their choices as from 26th of May this year. And the process begins from there. And it's going to be a very consultative process, including the teachers, including the directors of education, it includes everybody.
O ni thutha wa guthurima na kuhitukia thukuru 10,000 guothe bururi-ini, riri mihango ya gucabithia mabuku na guthomithia arutani a senior school irathie na mbere.
We have already been able to map all the schools around the country, all the 10,000 schools, all the 10,000 senior schools around the country. We have been able to know which school has what facilities, and we know which students can be able to go to which school.
The curriculum for grade 10 is ready. The books are going to be published from about August, so that in October we are distributing them. Classrooms have been done. We are having conversations and retooling teachers. We have retooled 220,000 teachers. Teachers dealing with STEM, undergoing training at semester. We are there. We have a good thing going, so there shouldn't be any sort of panic.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagogina, Wawadiro.